Viruses are obligate intracellular parasites. They are inert in the extracellular environment and depend on the intracellular machinery of the living host cells for replication. As such, reproduction of viruses occur by assembly of the individual components rather than binary fission. They infect animals, plants, bacteria, insects, etc. The nature of viruses is ambiguous whether they are living or non-living. Size: they are very small and are measured in nanometers, which is 1 billionth of a meter. Viruses can range in the size between 20 to 750 nanometer, which is 45,000 times smaller than the width of a human hair. They are smaller than bacteria. Structure of viruses: the complete assembly of the infectious particle is known as virion. All viruses contain the following two components: first, a nucleic acid genome and a protein capsid that covers the genome. Together this is called the nucleocapsid. The capsid is composed of large number of subunits known as capsomeres. The structure and composition of these components can vary widely. Viral genome: the viral genome consists of either DNA or RNA. The DNA can be single stranded, double stranded or partially double stranded. The DNA genome may have their ends covalently linked to each other or not linked. The genome of pox viruses is single stranded, whose ends are covalently attached to each other. RNA viral genome are all linear. The majority of these are single stranded and a few are double stranded. The genome of some RNA viruses is segmented, meaning that a virus particle contains several different molecules of RNA like different chromosomes. Most RNA viruses have their genomes in a single piece, while others have it segmented in 10 segments and 2 segments. Regarding single stranded RNAs, there are two major sequence possibilities. If the viral single stranded RNA as a message for translation, it is referred to as positive sense. In contrast, if the viral RNA is antisense to that of messenger RNA and thus cannot be translated directly, it is said to be negative sense. In some viruses, portion of the RNA genome are transcribed, generating messenger RNAs which are then translated. The copy of these messenger RNAs may also be translated. This arrangement is unique among viruses and is said to be abisense. Symmetry of viruses: viruses are divided into three groups based on the morphology of the nucleocapsid and the arrangement of capsomeres. First, cubic symmetry: the virus particle is icosahedral in shape and the nucleic acid is contained inside the capsid. The icosahedron particle is composed of 20 equilateral triangles, 12 vertices and has 2, 3, 5 rotational symmetry. The icosahedron is made up of equilateral triangles fused together in a spherical shape. This is the most optimal way of forming a closed shell using identical protein subunits. The genetic material is fully enclosed inside of the capsid. Examples of viruses with an icosahedral structure are the poliovirus, rhinovirus, adenovirus. Helical symmetry. The virus particle is elongated or pleomorphic and the nucleic acid is spiral. Capsomeres are arranged around the nucleic acid. An example of a virus with a helical symmetry is the tobacco mosaic virus. Complex symmetry. These virus structures have a combination of icosahedral and helical shape and may have a complex outer wall or head-tail morphology. The head-tail morphology structure is unique to viruses that only infect bacteria and are known as bacteriophages. The head of the virus has an icosahedral shape with a helical tail shaped envelope. In some cases, a membrane envelope may be present outer to the capsid. Viruses are classified on the basis of presence or absence of this envelope around the protein coat. Enveloped viruses. The outermost envelope is made up of phospholipids, protein or glycoprotein which surround the capsid. They are less virulent, often released by budding and rarely causes host cell lysis. These viruses are sensitive to heat, acid and drying and generally cannot survive inside gastrointestinal tract. It loses its infectivity on drying. Mode of transmission is through blood or organ transplant or through secretion. Most animals' viruses are enveloped. Example, herpes simplex, chickenpox viruses, influenza virus. Projection from the envelope are known as spikes, which are used for the attachment of virus to host cells. HIV virus can use spike for attachment to the host cell. Non-enveloped or naked viruses. The outermost covering is the capsid. They are less virulent, causes host cell lysis. These viruses are resistant to heat, acid and drying and can survive inside gastrointestinal tract. It loses its infectivity on drying. Mode of transmission is through fecal or oral matter and dust. Nearly all plant viruses and phages are naked. Example, adenovirus, parvovirus, etc. Basis of classification. The following properties have been used as a basis for the classification of viruses: type of nucleic acid, including size of genome, strandedness, linear or circular, positive or negative, segments, sequence and G plus C content, etc. Symmetry of the protein shell, presence or absence of a lipid membrane, dimensions or the size of virion and capsid. Other properties include the physicochemical properties like molecular mass, pH, thermal stability, susceptibility to physicals and chemical extremes and to ether and detergents. Classification system. ICTV classification. The ICTV developed the current classification system and put certain virus properties to maintain family uniformity. The general taxonomic structure is like order Virales, family Viridae, subfamily Virinae, genus virus, species virus. In the current ICTV taxonomy, 6 orders have been established: the Cordovirales, Herpesvirales, Mononegavirales, Nidovirales, Picornavirales and Thymovirales. A seventh order ligamenvirus has also been proposed. The committee does not formally distinguish between subspecies, strains and isolates. Baltimore classification. The Nobel Prize winning biologist David Baltimore devised the Baltimore classification system. The ICTV classification system is used in conjunction with Baltimore classification system in the modern virus classification. The Baltimore classification of viruses is based on the mechanism of messenger RNA production. Viruses must generate messenger RNAs from their genomes to produce proteins and replicate themselves, but different mechanisms are used to achieve this in each virus family. Viral genomes may be single-stranded or double-stranded RNA or DNA and may or may not use reverse transcriptase. In addition, single-stranded RNA viruses may be either sense or antisense. This classification places viruses into 7 groups. DNA viruses. Group first. Viruses possess double-stranded DNA. Example: adenoviruses, herpes viruses, pox viruses. Group second. Viruses possess single-stranded DNA. Example: parvoviruses, RNA viruses. Group third. Viruses possess double-stranded RNA genome. Example: reoviruses. Group fourth. Viruses possess positive sense single-stranded RNA genomes. Example: picornaviruses, toga viruses. Group fifth. Viruses possess negative sense single-stranded RNA genomes. Example: orthomyxoviruses, rhabdoviruses. Reverse transcribing viruses. Group sixth. Viruses possess single-stranded RNA genomes and replicate using reverse transcriptase. Example: retroviruses. Group 7. Viruses possess double-stranded DNA genomes and replicate using reverse transcriptase. Example: hepadnaviruses. Host range. On the basis of host, viruses are of 3 types: plant viruses, animal viruses and bacteriophages. Plant viruses. Plant viruses are a diverse group infecting hosts from unicellular plants to trees. The majority of plant viruses possess single-stranded positive sense RNA genomes, and these viruses are called positive strand RNA virus. Tobacco mosaic virus. TMV infects a wide range of plants, especially tobacco and other members of the family Solanaceae. The infection causes characteristic patterns such as mosaic-like mottling and discoloration on the leaves. Tobacco mosaic virus causes mosaic on tobacco leaves. It is rod-shaped helical virus. The virion capsid is made up of 2130 protein subunits of identical size. Inside the protein capsid, one molecule of genomic single-stranded RNA of 6400 bases long is present. Topsoviruses. The topsoviruses are a genus of negative RNA virus found within the family Bunyaviridae. They are the sole group of plant infecting viruses in this family. This virus has a single-stranded RNA genome with negative polarity. The genome is linear and is 17.2 kilobase in size. It is segmented into 3 segments termed S, M and L. Cauliflower mosaic virus. This virus infects mostly plants of the Brassicaceae family. The CAMV particle is an icosahedron. It contains a circular double-stranded DNA molecule of about 8 kilobase. Potato leaf roll virus. The viral host range is the member of Solanaceae. It possesses one linear single-stranded RNA as genetic material. PLRV particles are isometric icosahedral non-enveloped virion. Bacteriophages. Bacteriophages are the viruses that infect bacteria. F. Twart and F. D. Hireli independently discovered bacteriophages. The International Committee on Taxonomy of Viruses classifies the bacteriophages under the order Cordovirales according to morphology and nucleic acid. Different kinds of bacteriophages. T. phage. Bacteriophages attacking E. coli are called coliphages or T. phages. The virion of T4 phage is binal or tadpole-like structure with a polyhedral head connected to a helical tail through a short collar. The head, composed of about 2000 capsomeres, encloses a tightly packed double-stranded DNA. The tail has an inner hollow tube called core, surrounded by a contractile sheath. The distal end of the tube is connected to a hexagonal basal plate with spikes or tail spine at each corner. 6 long flexible tail fibers also arise from the basal plate, which helps in adsorption to bacteria. 5174. The phage particles are non-enveloped icosahedral about 30 nanometer in diameter. It consists of a protein coat which envelops a core that contains both protein and DNA. The coat of the virus contains 60 molecules each of the two protein F and G and 12 molecules of another protein H. The core of the virion contains one molecule of DNA and 16 copies of a fourth protein, the J protein. The DNA molecule is single stranded and is in the form of a closed circle. It contains 5386 nucleotides. Lambda phage. The lambda phage is a type of temperate bacteriophage. The lambda phage has an icosahedral head about 50 to 60 nanometer in diameter and a flexible, long, non-contractile tail about 150 nanometer in length. The head is the capsid and contains a single double-stranded DNA molecule. The tail consists of a 135 nanometer hollow tube ended with a 15 nanometer conical cap. M13. M13 phage is a filamentous phage. The helical capsid contains single-stranded DNA. This phage infects E. coli by adsorbing to the cell and entering through F. pili. Therefore, only infect F plus and HFR cells. It is an efficient vector in gene cloning as it can hold longer pieces of foreign DNA. Animal viruses. Animal viruses are viruses that infect animals. Examples of common human diseases caused by viruses include common cold, influenza, chickenpox and cold sores. Many serious diseases such as Ebola virus disease, AIDS, avian influenza and SARS are caused by viruses. Adenoviruses. The adenoviruses are common pathogens of human and animals. All adenovirus particles are non-enveloped, having 90 to 100 nanometer diameter. The icosahedral capsid is made up of 252 capsomeres, 240 hexons forming the faces and 12 pentons at the vertices. Each penton bears a cylinder fiber. The double-stranded linear DNA is associated with two major core proteins, rhabdoviruses. Rabies virus causes acute infection of the central nervous system in humans. Rhabdoviruses are rod or bullet shaped, single stranded, negative sense, unsegmented, enveloped RNA virus. The virus genome encodes 5 proteins. They have prominent spikes on the surface. All rhabdoviruses have two major structural components, a surrounding envelope and a helical ribonucleoprotein core. Human immunodeficiency virus. Human immunodeficiency virus belongs to the retrovirus family. It destroys the immune system and therefore, in the victim, the immunity to combat the disease is lost. HIV comprises an outer envelope consisting of a lipid bilayer with spikes of glycoproteins GP41 and GP120. These glycoproteins are linked in such a way that GP120 protrudes from the surface of the virus. Inside this envelope is a nucleocapsid which surrounds a central core of protein P24. Within this core are two copies of single-stranded RNA. Orthomyxoviruses. Influenza is the illness of the upper and lower respiratory tract. Influenza virus belongs to the family Orthomyxoviruses. Particles of influenza viruses are spherical or filamentous enveloped particles 80 to 120 nanometer in diameter. The helically symmetric nucleocapsid consists of a nucleoprotein and multipartite genome of single-stranded antisense RNA in 7 or 8 segments. The envelope carries a hemagglutinin attachment protein and a neuraminidase virus-related agents. Prions. They are proteinaceous infectious particles smaller than viruses that contain no nucleic acid. Scrapie, a disease of goat and sheep, and a cow-made disease in animal is caused by prions. The protein comprising a prion has a molecular weight between 50,000 and 100,000, corresponding to a particle size that is 100 times smaller than smallest viruses. Viroid. Viroid is an infectious agent composed exclusively of a piece of nucleic acid, a piece of single-stranded circular RNA. It's like a virus without its protein covering. Viroids are believed to mainly affect plants, and they include potato spindle tuber viroid and coconut kadang viroid. Conclusion. Viruses are the intracellular parasites which depend upon host for its growth and reproduction. They have been classified on the basis of their structure, symmetry, envelope and genome. They show diverse behavior in host they infect.